Alright, that took a while. Oh, let's try to make it a little bit lower. Perfect. Hey guys, what's going on? So, before we get into the main topic of this video, I'd like to discuss two mini topics. Number one, 50 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for 50 subscribers. I really appreciate it, and I hope we can knock out as much amusement parks as we can this year. You know? Okay. But I'm going to talk about that in a later video. Probably next week or something. Alright, second address. Why I've been gone for 3 months. Okay, so 1 week after I posted the 2 weeks after I posted the my last video, I got COVID. Okay? I had that for about 3 weeks. Or I don't even know if it was COVID, but it definitely was something. I had it for about 3 weeks. And then I tried to upload a video for you guys because I know I've been gone for like a month or something by that time. So I tried to upload it, but it didn't go through. And I tried to upload another video, but it also didn't go through. So finally, I hope if this episode doesn't go through, or this video doesn't go through, whatever you want to call it, I'm just going to be done. But I hope it does. And if you're watching this right now, well, then obviously it worked. So, let's get into the main point of this video, though. Why? Oh, wait, no. We already discussed that. Whew. But the main point of this video is what will be replacing Vortex. Now, there's two options. Either one, a new path or a new area, or two, a roller coaster. I really hope it's number two, but I'm not really sure. So, if it is number two, I'm going to be making my predictions on what that will be. I don't know why I said it like that. But anyways, I'm just going to cut. I think I'll just cut for you guys. I'll just cut. Alright, I'm cutting. Alrighty, guys. We are here at Google Earth at Vortex at Kings Island. Alright. So, if we zoom out, so let's just zoom out real quick. Okay. Let's zoom out here. So, if we look at this, we can clearly see that Vortex encompasses a lot of land, okay? It goes from the Beast up to Windseeker to Backlot Stone Coaster to Diamondback and the Beast again, and it covers this whole area, okay? Even though it's large, it's definitely surrounded by everything except for this side, but I'm going to get to that later, okay? So, let's talk about the first option, and the one that I think, even though I don't want this to happen, this is probably what's going to happen. A B&M dive coaster, okay? I think this is the most likely option, considering that Cedar Fair has been getting all of these different B&M dive coasters. I feel like this space right here is perfect for a B&M dive coaster. It'll turn out of the station, climb up, turn left, go into the dive. The Immelman will take up this little spot right here, and then it'll go into the rest of the layout. But yeah, I think that's how, what's probably going to happen, what most likely will happen, and what has a 70% chance of happening. But you never know. You never know. So let's discuss a few more options. I would really like to see a wing coaster, because I feel like wing coasters were designed for the woods, going out in the woods, because it makes you feel like you're a bird of some kind on the wing coaster. And so that's what I think. But yeah, that's probably what I think would be a great ride. I don't think it's going to be the best one I'd like, but yeah, I think that would be the great one. I think it would go up, do some inversions, go out until this area, come back and go into the station. I might make some, some actual diagrams or something of what it would look like. But yeah, I think a wing coaster would be an awesome fit. Alright, guys. There are only two more roller coasters that I'd really like to talk about. The first of these two is a open launch coaster. Not Flight of Fear or Backlot Stone Coaster. Backlot Stone Coaster, yeah, it's outdoor. The launch is half outdoors, but that's really a family coaster. And Flight of Fear, that's indoors. So what I would really like would be a full throttle type of ride. I could see the launch going where the lift hill was and doing all of its stuff before coming back into the station. I could definitely see that. Alright, but other than that, there's really only one more, and this one is my favorite. That's why I saved it for last. But here's what I really hope would happen. I hope that King's Island, instead of tearing down Vortex, why don't they just get Morgan to retrack it like what Kennywood did to steal Phantom and turned it into Phantom's Revenge? And I don't know if we could rename this a weird name, but we could definitely do that. Take out all the inversions, put some airtime hills, make the turns a little bit tighter so we get a little bit more intensity, and yeah, especially since Vortex is one of the more taller aero loopers out there. Oh yeah, I definitely think it could work. You know, I definitely think that would be an awesome fit for the park. If they do it really well, it might even be the new best ride in the park. Honestly, if they do it well, considering how much I love Phantom's Revenge, I think this would be really, really cool if they had the new hypercoaster layout. Or really, it wouldn't be a hypercoaster because it's not 200 feet. But if they had the Morgan coaster layout with a bunch of ejector hills and intensity, I would love that. You know, it would easily become my new favorite at Kings Island, and I'm pretty sure it would become a lot of other people's favorite. Especially since you could see Vortex in the distance when you're arriving up to Kings Island. I think it would also be great if they added a little bit more height to it. That would also give it a lot more coolness. Plus, they don't have to demolish the entire thing. So yeah. But alright, I'm gonna cut out to the outro now. Alright guys, so that's what I think would happen. That's what I would happen if Kings Island were to get a roller coaster. I think the B&M dive coaster probably what they're gonna get, but I really hope they go full Phantom's Revenge and get Morgan to retrack it. That would be so awesome. But, yeah, I'm actually pretty sure that's just it, guys. Well, what was that voice crack with the it? But yeah, I'm pretty sure that's just it, guys. Alright, well, I guess this is the outro now. So, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big old thumbs up if you really liked it. And consider subscribing if you also liked it. I'm not forcing you to do either of these things. You do what you want. I'm just saying. You know, if you liked it, then why don't you subscribe and leave a like, you know? Alright guys, but that's pretty much going to be it. I think I'm actually done. So, alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. I'm gonna put the camera up.